Hey there, so today in this video we are going to talk about a newly released plugin, AskaiWP. So what this plugin does, this will add a chat bubble at the bottom right corner of your WordPress site. So you can ask questions to the chat box related to the page you are on, and chat box will be giving answers to your query. So let me show you how it looks like. Sorry about that. So this is the chat box, chat bubble, and when you click it will open the chat box like this, and this is the setting in the backend to configure this chat box. So this is basically on Gemini AI, uh, and yeah, this uses Gemini AI to give response to your query based on the content on your page. So let's see how does it work. So let me quickly spin up my local site. So I'm gonna create a new site, test db. So site is created. This is a fresh new WordPress site, WP admin, and let's log in to the site. And let's install the plugin. So the plugin name is AskaiWP. So let's install it and activate it. Let's go to settings. So we will configure this first. So the AI name, whatever you want to give, I would say Bumblebee. An API key. So we have to add Gemini API key. So just click here, and if you are not logged in, just log in, and then you will be redirected to this screen. So let's create API key. So I'm gonna use one of my project and will generate API key. So this is my API key and I will add it over here. So if you don't see any model here, so first you have to save the setting. Once you save the setting, you will be able to see the model related to your API key. So I'm gonna set Gemini 2.5 Pro and prompt. So as a prompt, I'm gonna use this. This is my prompt, and I'm gonna add it over here. Even if you don't add any prompt, there is a default prompt given in the code so that it will function as per its purpose. So I'm gonna save this prompt over here. So once you do this, let's go to post page. So here you will see a button. Let me, so yeah, here you will see the button for opening the chat box. So let's open that, and you will see the AI name we gave over here in this setting is reflecting over here. Now let's try to ask question that what is this about? So it says, sorry, I could not generate a response. So let me change the model, and I would select 2.5 flash. So sometimes models are not available. So now I'm gonna refresh this, open the chat box, and I will ask the same question. What is this about? So it will give an information about this page, what this page about. And let's ask another question, but not related to this specific page. So I'm gonna ask, what is mountain? So it says it looks like the page content is just hello world. There isn't any information about mountains on this page. So if you have any question about the hello world content, feel free to ask. So yeah, this chat box is bind to this current page only, and it will give you an answer from the current page information. If you ask out of the context, it is not going to give you an answer. So yeah, this is how the feature works. If you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching this video. Jai Somnath, Har Har Mahadev.
Hey there, so if you are new to Gutenberg development, then I would recommend to visit this site, the wpvoyage.com. This site has very good tips and tricks regarding the Gutenberg development. Thank you.